So class, your science we will start our new lesson, okay? That is on your lesson number 3, the skeletal system. You know what a skeletal, right? This is a skeleton. So we are going to study about different kind of skull and its part and function. Alright? Okay, our skeleton. Bones form the framework of the body called skeleton. There are 206 bones of different shape and size in the human skeleton. The human skeleton consists of the skull, the backbone, the rib cage, two pair of limbs, the forelimbs or hands, and the hind limbs or legs. The limbs are attached to two pairs of girdles, shoulder girdles and hip girdles. Alright, so here it says that uh, you have to underline also this. Bones form the framework of the body called skeleton. So skeleton here it says that this is the framework, which means this skeleton it helps our body to framework means maintain the shape and size, okay, and balancing our body structure. All right, it gives us the shape and support our body. All right, so this is what the skeleton means. And here underline this also, how many bones are there in our body in a human being is 206 bones, okay, and this 206 bone it have different shape and size, okay, and the human skeleton it consists of all this, okay, you have to underline all these things, the skull, the limbs and all these underline till here. All right, the skeleton performs the following important functions in our body. So different type of function it performs, our skeleton. Number one is it provides support and the basic shape to the body. Without skeleton, our body would have been a lump or shapeless flesh. That's true. Without our skeleton, we cannot stood. Yes or no? So, if there is no bones, if there is no skeleton, there will be nothing to support us. And here it says it will be a shapeless, okay? Shapeless flesh. Only the flesh. 2. It protects the soft organs of the body. The skull protects the brain. The ribs protect the heart and lungs. The vertebral column protects the spine, and the hip girdles protect the urinary bladder. So all this protect, okay, all this protect our inside part also, our heart, our brain and all, okay. How does it protect? That means it covers all those, okay. This skulls it covers our brain, so it is protecting the brain. All right, same as the other part. Point 3, muscles are attached to the bones. So between the bones there is a muscle, okay. Muscles and bones together work to move the different part of the body. Next, bones also contains bone marrow, a substance which forms white blood cells and red blood cells. So our bones also it contains a bone marrow. Uh, I'm sure though you do not know, you have heard about a bone marrow. Alright, so this bone marrow it contains bones. Bones is the only one which contain this, okay, and these form a white blood and a red blood cells, okay. So these are the four important functions that our skeleton perform, okay. Now parts of the skeleton. The skull means this one, okay, this is the skull, the head part. The skull is made up of 22 bones, underline this. In this skull, when we go through, we will get 22 bones, okay. These 22 bones consist of the skull. 8 of these 22 bones are linked together to enclose the brain. So here this brain part, this upper part, 8 different type of bones amount 22. 8 bones are enclosed, it joined together on upper side to form the brain part, okay. These bones it protect the Delicate means very sensitive part place. Okay, delicate brain, our brain is too soft, yes or no? This is what it means, delicate brain, and it gives shape to the face. So according to this upper part, it gives the shape of our head, our face. All right, they also protect the organs of sight, hearing, smell, and taste. The eyes fit in the eye socket. The facial region has 14 bones. The lower jaw is the only movable bones of the skull. It enables us to talk and eat. So among the skull, this jaw part is the only bone. Okay, this is the only part which support our head skull. Okay, which support our head to move, okay, to eat, to talk. All right, without these jaw bones, our head, it remain like a statue itself. Okay, so this helps, this is the only one which helps our bones, the other part, to move. Okay, and help us to talk, eat, and okay, and all the function, it replace everything to fix, okay, to fix our organ system. All right, only this much we will do today. I'm going to give you homework, 4 questions. Okay, number one, what does the skeleton give us? You have to listen, keep on 2-3 times, listen to the explanation. All right, you'll get the answer. Very simple. What does the skeleton give us? Number two, how many type of bone are there in human skeleton? 3, what does the human skeleton consist of? Number 4, into how many bones does the skull made up of? Okay, so that will be your homework. That's all for this